So welcome students. So in this question you are given that a plus b, a and b are two numbers whose sum is equal to 1. So if that is so, what is the maximum value of the product of them, a, b? So how do we do this? So there are a lot of ways to do this. So one of the way that can be used with the concept that you know is, so a plus b is equal to 1. This implies b is equal to 1 minus a. b is equal to 1 minus a. So AB is nothing but a into 1 minus a, that is equal to a minus a square, that is equal to minus of a square minus a, that is equal to minus of a square minus a can be written as 2 times a times 1 by 2. So does it look like a square minus 2ab? So we have a b square term adjoining this, so this becomes a perfect square. So this method is called, that method that I am going to use is called method of completion of squares. So minus of a square minus 2 times a times 1 by 2. So I will add a 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4. So if I add, I also have to subtract it. So now these three terms combinedly, what do they become? Minus of a minus half whole square minus 1 by 4. So now I'll again take this minus and multiply it inside. So you have 1 by 4 minus of a minus half whole square. So the expression AB in terms of a is nothing but 1 by 4 minus of a minus half whole square. So now let us apply our logical reasoning. So this a minus half whole square is a square that is always positive. So this is always greater than or equal to 0. So I am subtracting some number from 1 by 4. So can I say that AB will always be less than or equal to 1 by 4? So if I subtract 0, you get 1 by 4. So if I subtract anything else, you get a number less than 1 by 4. So AB is less than or equal to 1 by 4. Hence the maximum value of AB is equal to 1 by 4. So AB is always less than or equal to 1 by 4. It can go up to a maximum value of 1 by 4. It cannot go beyond 1 by 4. So the maximum value of AB is 1 by 4. Thank you.